Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring Visual Studio and the matching. NET SDK are installed. This prevents runtime mismatches. Once done, open Visual Studio and choose New Project, then pick ASB. NET Core Web App or MVC. Make sure to select the correct target framework and authentication options up front to avoid refactoring later. Create the project and let the templates scaffold files for you so you get a working app immediately. This gives a reliable baseline to modify and run quickly. You'll now inspect the project layout so you understand where code belongs and why. Open Program. CS and App Settings. JSON, then register services like DB context, identity, and logging in the DI container. The order of middleware matters, so place authentication before endpoints. Add controllers or razor pages, wire routes, and scaffold views where needed. If using a database, add EF migrations and update the database. These steps let you implement features cleanly and predictably as the app grows. You'll finish by running and testing the app locally. Pick IIS Express or Kestrel, set breakpoints, and use hot reload to iterate fast. Once stable, publish to your target, Azure App Service, IIS, or a Docker container, and verify connection strings and environment-specific app settings. If something breaks, open the output and debug windows, enable detailed errors in development, and switch launch profiles to reproduce. This troubleshooting tip helps you surface configuration and runtime issues quickly so you can.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.